Okay, so we are going over the last part of matrices paper 2, which is dealing with inverse. So what do we do? So this is the easiest part. The only thing you're supposed to know is when you're given a matrix, maybe we say A is equals to, say A, we take A, B, C, and D, like that. So inverse is represented like this, like that. So now to find the inverse, we are going to first say 1 over the determinant of A, of which by now you know how to find the determinant, then open bracket like that. Sorry, not open bracket, I don't know what these are called, but using a layman's language you can just say the bracket just like that. Then what happens is that in the major diagonal, these swap. So A takes the position of D, and D takes the position of A, so they swap. So you have D, A. Then the minor diagonal we multiply by negative what? 1, so it's going to be negative B, negative C, always. So let me just write them down here. We're saying major diagonal swap the what? Swap the numbers. Then minor diagonal multiply by neg 1. Okay, let's take a simple example. Maybe you have given that the set A is let's say 2, negative 4, 1, and 3. Then they say find A inverse. Very easy. So we first have to know the determinant from here. You have to know the determinant. So what's the determinant of A? By now you know A determinant is multiply the major diagonal, so 2 times 3, that's going to give us 6. Then minus multiply the minor diagonal, 1 times negative 4, it's going to give us negative what? 4. So A determinant is negative times negative is positive, so we have 6 plus 4, which will give us what? 10. So the A determinant is 10. When you just find the determinant, other things are going to be easy. Okay, so to find the inverse now, we're going to say 1 over this determinant, which is what? 10. Then let's apply what we're saying. We said let's take this one here, major diagonal. We were saying we swap the what? The numbers. So 3 is going to come there and 2 is going to come there. Then in the minor diagonal, we're saying we multiply by negative 1. So negative 4 by negative 1, the negatives will cancel, so we're just going to have positive 4. Then positive 1 times negative 1, that's just going to be negative 1. Then you can end there, you're done. This is the only concept that I want to see. If you can swap the minor in the major diagonal, you swap the numbers. Then in the minor diagonal, you multiply by what? Negative 1. As easy as this. There's nothing complicated here.